Hey there everybody, it's your name and it's time to learn something new. Did you know that playing games isn't just super fun, but it can also help little ones feel more comfortable when it's time to say goodbye for a bit? Today we're going on an adventure to discover 10 amazing games that make saying see you later a lot easier for our little champions. Welcome to this video. Today we'll explore 10 games and activities designed to help reduce separation anxiety in children. Backed by scientific research, these activities provide practical ways to strengthen the parent-child bond and help toddlers feel secure, even during short separations. Have you ever played peekaboo? It's one of my favorite games. You know how we hide our faces and then shout peekaboo when we come back? This game is like a super fun magic trick for our brains. When we play peekaboo, we're teaching our little ones that even when something goes away for a little bit, it always comes back. Just like magic, when we reappear after hiding, it helps those little brains understand that even when they can't see mommy or daddy, they always come back. Do you love surprises? I know I do. Let's find a colourful box and a special toy. We'll call this our treasure box. Now let's hide the toy under a cloth and let our little explorer find it. This game is more than just finding a hidden treasure. It's about helping our little ones learn to be patient and curious. Every adventurer needs a safe place to rest, right? Let's build a cozy island in our living room. We can use pillows, blankets, and even some stuffed animals to make it extra comfy. This will be our special spot where our little one can feel safe and sound. This helps them become brave adventurers, ready to explore the world with a happy heart. Puppets aren't just for shows, they're like little friends who can help us talk about our feelings. Let's grab our favorite puppets and act out a little play. We can pretend the puppet is feeling a little sad because it's time to say goodbye to its friend. Puppets help us understand those big emotions in a fun and playful way. Did you know that colors can make us feel happy? Let's create our very own art station. Drawing, painting, and creating helps those big feelings melt away, just like ice cream on a sunny day. It's like magic. Ready or not, here I come. Hide and seek isn't just about finding the best hiding spot. It's about learning that even when we can't see someone, they're still nearby. Have you ever traveled to faraway lands through the pages of a book? Books are like magic portals to different worlds. Let's choose a story about a little bunny who learns to say goodbye to his mummy bunny when it's time for school. Stories help us understand that saying goodbye is a part of life, and it's okay to feel a little sad sometimes. Do you hear that music? It's time to play musical chairs. This game is all about moving our bodies and having fun. Musical chairs teach us that it's okay to be silly and have fun, even when we're apart from loved ones for a little bit. Can you build a tower as tall as the sky? Let's use our imaginations and build amazing structures with our building blocks. Building blocks aren't just toys, they're tools that help us learn and grow. Let's get our hands messy and explore different textures with the sensory bin. We can fill it with rice, beans, or even kinetic sand. Sensory play is like a big hug for our senses, helping us feel calm and relaxed. When our little ones are engaged in sensory play, they're less likely to feel anxious. Wow, we learned about so many fun games today. Remember, these games aren't just about having fun, they're about helping our little ones feel brave and confident when it's time to say goodbye for a bit. So, next time you're about to say see you later, remember these games and watch as your little one's face lights up with joy. If you loved learning about these amazing games, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and educational adventures. Until next time, bye-bye.